So I started copy trading with a budget of around 200 USD and right now ito na po yung profit around 18 USD. And paano ito? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Hey everyone, John F. Dong here. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan po natin kung paano po mag-copy trade and ang gamit po natin na broker is Tickmill with a budget of around 200 USD lamang. Tara, turuan ko po kayo. Okay, first thing po, dapat meron po tayong Tickmill account. Kung wala pa po kayo, you may watch this video. Nandyan po yung link sa ating description para po makagawa po muna kayo ng inyong mga Tickmill accounts. Just follow what I did sa video na yan. Lahat naman po ng links na ginamit natin ay nasa description din po ng video na yan. Assuming na meron ka ng Tickmill account, let's proceed to the next step. Pinutin po yung ating link na nandyan sa ating description for the step 2. Upon clicking that link, it will redirect you dito sa page na ito. And as you can see dito sa details, ito po yung information about the chosen provider and subscription conditions. So yung name po ng provider natin is Top Trader PH. Same po yan doon sa nakaraan na inintroduce natin na 1.5 because nag-low na po sila from 1.5 naging 250 na lang po yung minimum balance for this copy trading. So, ang kailangan natin i-provide dito is yung trading account ID and yung password for that trading account. Now, paano po gawin yan? Simply go to Tickmill, i-log in po ninyo ang inyong mga accounts. Now, dito sa inyong mga dashboard, under dito sa Traders Room, punta po kayo sa My Trading Accounts. Now, as you can see, ito po yung aking mga trading accounts. What you want to do is to click on plus add trading account. Now here, gayahin nyo lang po yung mga nakikita ninyong settings. So for ating trading platform, ang gagamitin po natin is MT5. Then yung wallet naman, pipiliin na natin kung saan manggagaling yung ating funds. Tapos yung account type would be raw. And for the leverage, that's 1:500. Kung nag-sign up po kayo using my referral link, automatically may referral code. Pero for those who started Tickmill way back before mapanood nyo itong video na to, please put the referral code na nakikita nyo sa inyong mga screens. Andyan din yan provided sa ating description box. Kailangan po ito kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating draw. Nagdo-draw po tayo and nagbibigay tayo ng additional funds na USD para po sa inyong mga trading accounts. And for those who use this referral code din po, you'll be entitled para po makasali sa ating private Telegram group. Now once na nailagay na po natin yung settings, click on confirm. And as you can see, new trading account has been successfully created. Makikita nyo po yan, pinutin nyo lang yung got it. And yan, nag-reflect na yung newly created nating trading account. So ito po yun, yung nasa pinakataas. What you want to do next is transferan po natin ito ng minimum balance na 250 since yun po yung naka-indicate na minimum balance. To do that, click on transfer. And then, piliin natin yung transfer from USD wallet natin kung nasan po yung balance po natin. Since 250 po yun, ilagay po natin 250. Tapos transfer to, ito pong bagong gawa natin, itong 556900973. Click on confirm. Ayan, transfer successful. Click on OK. Okay, completed na po yung ating status. Balik tayo sa trading accounts. Now, as you can see, may laman na pong 250 etong ginawa nating bagong trading account. Now, natapos na natin gawin yung trading account. Nakapagkarga na tayo ng 250 USD for the minimum balance requirement for copy trading. Punta po tayo doon sa ating email na ginamit natin in logging in dito sa Tickmill since meron silang sinend na login credentials at kakailanganin natin yung credentials na yon para po makapag-copy trade dito sa Tickmill. On your email, meron po kayo marireceive na email from Tickmill stating new trading account credentials kung saan nandyan po ang inyong account number at ang inyong trading password. So, yan po ang ilalagay natin doon sa first link na pinindot natin kanina para po makapag-start tayo ng ating copy trading. In my case, yung ating trading account would be the 556900973. So, ito po yung kokopyahin natin. Then, yan po yung ipipaste natin dito sa trading account ID. Now, for the password, dun sa email nyo, makikita nyo yan under trading password. So, copy lang din po natin yan. And then, i-paste natin dito sa password. Tapos, i-check natin yung I accept the terms of service. Then, click on register. Now, you should be able to see this. So, may attention. Don't forget to set up your copying options before activation, filter, subscription, risk management, etc. Click on OK. Now, as you can see, ito po yung itsura dito sa ating dashboard. What you want to do here is to click on actions, tapos activate. Yan. So, dito po for this, ignore po para hindi kopyahin yung mga current positions. Ang kokopyahin niya is yung mga ipi-place pa lang na bagong positions. Click on activate. And yan, subscription has been updated. And as you can see dito sa state, it is now active. Basically, tapos na tayo mag-setup ng ating copy trading account dito sa Tickmill. So we just have to wait na mag-place or mag-open ng new position yung provider natin and then magre-reflect yan sa ating account. Now, speaking of ating account, paano ba natin mamamonitor yung mga new positions na ito, yung ating profit? Well, we just have to download the MT5 app. The MT5 app or MetaTrader 5 app is available both on Android and iOS. You can download it on Google Play and App Store para po ma-monitor ninyo yung mga trades na pinoprovide ng ating provider. Now, paano ba natin ilalagin yung ating account dito? Remember yung email kanina na na-receive natin about sa new trading account credentials? Ang kakailanganin lang po natin dito is yung account number and yung ating trading password as this will serve as our login credentials sa ating mga MT5. Now here, meron din silang pin-provide the server. So according dito, it says choose Tickmill Live from the list. So to do that, gayahin nyo lang po ito. Punta po muna kayo dito sa ating MT5. Then, go to settings, no? Settings po tayo. Para makita nyo po ito, then click on new account. Tapos, kung wala pa po sa listahan yung Tickmill, hanapin nyo po yung Tickmill Limited. Pindutin nyo po yan. Tapos, kung makikita nyo po yung server, Tickmill-live, kasi yan din po yung nakalagay doon sa email. For the login, ito po yung ilalagay natin, yung account. Tapos, yung password, yung trading password. Ayan. Pasted na rin yung ating password. Keep your saved password tick kung gusto nyo na hindi mag-login, logout lagi yan. Kung okay na, click on done. Now, as you can see, andyan yung balance natin na 250 and currently wala pa pong ginagawang trades yung ating provider as of this moment. And we're finally done. So we were able to set up our copy trading account. Nakapag-login na rin tayo sa ating MT5 para anytime pwede nating ma-monitor, makita natin yung trading history dito sa ating trading accounts. For the meantime, yun lang po muna. If you have any questions or requests, please feel free to leave it down there in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. Also, give us a follow sa ating mga social media accounts at JFDong sa ating TikTok and at JohnFDong naman sa Facebook, Instagram, X, and pati na rin dito sa YouTube. And since nandito na rin lang, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out any of our uploads, especially about Tickmill dito sa ating YouTube channel.
Uy, nandiyan ka pa pala. Kung gusto mo pa manood ng mga videos natin dito sa ating channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung ating mga playlists. Andyan po lahat yan, naka-ready na po para po iisang topic lang, hindi po ay maligaw-ligaw dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa mga videos natin and see you soon sa ating mga videos.